Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is MJ Starao nagsabing Food is Life. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and comment for any suggestions, and subscribe now and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos to come. Long soup, radish, duck, kidney soup. Ang ingredients ay pork bones, chicken feet, sweet dates, duck kidney, radish, at saka dry mushroom. Boil 3 liters of water and put all the ingredients. And boil for 2 hours with low fire. After 2 hours, season with 1 tablespoon of salt. Radish duck kidney soup by MJ Starao. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, and comment for any suggestions. Subscribe today and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos to come. Thank you for watching and God bless!